Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial race, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you that how I can make this part editable from admin side. So just go to appearance and then widget. I'll create a widget called homepage. So just go to function.php and then find sidebar. Okay, so register sidebar. Copy from register sidebar 2 up to here, and then we have already 3 sidebars, so let's create one more here, and then I'll give its name as home page. The sidebar ID will be 4 because there are already 3 sidebars. This is a sidebar ID 3, so I'm just giving this ID 4. Okay, after doing this, just refresh the page and you can see here home page. Now just drag this visual editor. So remember, this visual editor actually is not by default in WordPress. You will have to install this. This is actually a plugin. Okay, so if you want to install this visual editor or Black Studio, Black, see download. Okay, and then so you need to download and install this plugin. Okay, into your WordPress. Then it will be visible here. So I'm just dragging it. The benefit is that it displays all the editor also, images and all things can be inserted from here. So what I'll do, just go to index.php again, and then let's find this text. Just copy this from here to here, or maybe more center. Let us scroll. Okay, so this div is closing here. I'll just cut this text from here, Control X, then just for new purpose I'll just write this. And now let's go to admin section and paste here. Or not this one, actually you'll have to paste here in text. Okay, text section, and then click on visual, so it will show like this. Now let's save it. Okay, and to call this here, you need to write here PHP dynamic sidebar, and then sidebar ID 4. So what is this sidebar ID 4? Actually we have just created here in function, so that's the sidebar ID 4. Okay, now let's see if the content is coming or not. Yes, it's coming here, but the admin can easily edit from here. For example, I'll write here welcome to theme, and then save here. And now refresh the page and you can see this text here. So not only here, you can use this uh, visual editor anywhere. Okay, so hope you understand it how this works. And also, apart from inserting the text, you can also upload images and banners, etc. from here, videos, whatever you like. Okay, so we will now work on this banner. Okay, so that admin can update this banner time to time. Okay, without having the knowledge of programming. So I will show you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.